Hey guys, it's Linda from Perfectly Paralegal with another LinkedIn mini tutorial for you. Today I'm going to show you how to export your LinkedIn connections. Hopefully your LinkedIn connections will stay safe and sound in your account. However, it's always a good idea to back up the information in case you have an issue with your account or simply want to start over. If you're someone like me who has invested a significant amount of time into building a strong network, it would be pretty damaging if there was some kind of glitch and you lost part of your network, or if there was a problem with your account and you had to start over from scratch. By exporting the connections, you can take that document and import it into a brand new account. Of course, there's probably some other things that you'll be able to do with the information as well. When you export your LinkedIn connections, you'll receive a CSV file containing information on your first-degree connections, including their full name, email address, current employer, and job title. A CSV file can be opened with Excel. Remember, first-degree connections are people that you are directly connected with on LinkedIn. So, to request your CSV file, simply log into your account and click on the My Network icon on the top of the home page. Then click on your connections on the left-hand side. You can click on the number or you can click on See All. And then look on the right-hand side where it says Manage Synced and Imported Contacts. You're going to click on that and then scroll down to Advanced Actions and click on Export Contacts. Now, under the Download Your Data section, you'll see that you have a number of options. For this tutorial, we're just talking about connections, but keep in mind that you can return to the same page at any time to download a variety of other information, including recommendations, posts, messages, articles, and other stuff. You can always click on Learn More, and it will give you a detailed listing of the different types of information that can be accessed in this manner. So for this purpose, again, we're just going to talk about connections. Now on my page, you're going to see that it's grayed out because I've already requested mine. So you would simply click on Pick and Choose and then check off Connections. Then at the bottom, your button will say Request Archive. When you click on Request Archive, you will probably be prompted to enter your password for security purposes. Now, it usually takes about 10 minutes for the archive to be ready. If you're downloading other information, it can take up to 24 hours. So if you are going to download separate information, I would probably download the connections first and then go back once you've downloaded the connections and then request the other information in a separate file. Once the file is ready, LinkedIn will send you an email letting you know that it's available for download, or you can return to the same page and look for the button that says Download Archive. Once you have the file, just tuck it away somewhere safe in case you need it. If you're actively working on building your network, you should get into the habit of doing this periodically. That way, if you ever need to recreate your network on a new account, you'll be able to easily upload the CSV file to reestablish connections with those individuals. I hope you found this tip helpful. As always, if you have questions or comments, please feel free to leave a message below or find me online anytime. Have an amazing day.